In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a lateral flexion with a kettlebell. This is an amazing movement for developing lateral core strength, but also for developing spine mobility. Now make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you some really cool stuff that's going to take your training to the next level.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
All right, everyone, now we're on to the kettlebell lateral flexion. Now, I absolutely love this exercise, and it is something that we come back to a lot. Hey, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we turn driven people into strong and flexible athletes. Now, if you want to know how we do that, grab one of the free downloads, the Flexibility Blueprint, the Strength Blueprint, or the Nutrition Blueprint. There's a link in the description of this video, and it gives away some amazing insights into how to develop that aspect of your fitness. And you also want to come and join our private Facebook group called the UMS Movement Mastermind, where we go live daily to answer your questions and also to give really good training tips and insights. Just going to grab your kettlebell, put your hand up near your head, tilt your head first, then your upper back, mid back, lower back, go as far as you can. Then we're going to go lower back, mid back, upper back, neck. So the whole thing about this exercise is that we're trying to get lateral flexion in every vertebra in the spine. So this is the biggest mistake people make. Okay, I'm not getting any movement in my upper back. Okay, so from here, you want to make sure, bring the hand up here, that's going to create a nice stretch down the side. We're going to tilt the head first, then upper back, mid back, and then lower back, mid back, upper back, neck. Okay, and of course you do it slower, with a more consistent movement than that. Now when you do this exercise, we like to do sets of 5 reps. 5 is a nice rep range to do. And make sure that you're really focusing on the way that you move your whole spine. And this is something that, for those of you in the UMS online coaching program, we really come back to this a lot. So I love this exercise. Don't feel that just because this is the first progression in the program that this is something that you're going to move on from and never come back to. I come back to this a lot for a couple of really good reasons. Number one, it is good at developing strength in your lateral core, in the muscles in the, that create flexion, lateral flexion in the core. But what it also does is it creates a lot of mobility because you're really mobilizing the joints laterally. It's really nice. So it's really going to help with your lateral spinal waves as well. So feel free to throw this in with your training, every couple of cycles, even after you've done it for a mesocycle at the start of your progressions program. And yeah, enjoy the gains that you get from it. It's such a good exercise for developing lateral core and also spine mobility. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.